Let's do an exercise called swimming dragon. Swimming dragon is a wonderful way to open up the spine, but it also provides a lovely amount of rotation so we can wring out the internal organs, so we can wring out any negative old energy stuck in the internal organs, so we make space for something new fresh energy to come in. So we stand with our legs wider than shoulder width apart, with the knees bent, knees pointing forward, and the palms of the hands touch and they come to the center of your chest. And then from here, we're going to shift the weight over to the right. I'm going to press my palms to the right, and I'm going to look to my left, right over my left shoulder. I come back to the center, hands come together at the heart center. I drop a bit more into my bent knee position. I shift my weight over to the left. I press the palms to the left. I look over my left shoulder. Or I should say my right shoulder, if I'm mirroring you. Coming back to the center. So I shift and I press. Center. I shift and I press. And center. Let's do that one more time to each side. And coming to the center, hands at your heart. And then from here, keeping your hands at your heart, you're going to go into a little lateral flexion. So we're going to bend to one side and then the other side. And as we bend from one side to the other, we're shifting the weight through the legs as well. Opening up the spine, moving like a swimming dragon. And then from here, we can allow the hands to move up a little bit higher. So maybe they're in front of the neck. And then a little bit higher, so now it's in front of the face. The hands are in front of the face, the elbows are wide. And then the hands can reach above the head, swimming higher and higher and higher. Take a deep breath, stand nice and tall, lengthen through your legs, and then exhale. Bend the knees, bend the arms, hands at the heart again. Great, so now let's do that again. So now we're gonna go to this side first. Pushing the hands over to the left, look to the right. And center. Hands pressed to the right, look to the left. And center. So nice deep breath in and out. One more time. And pause. And now we begin the swimming dragon. So we bend side to side. This is also a great way to open up the spine, but also open up the ribs, creating space within the ribs and within our internal organs. Good, and then we slowly lift the arms up as we reach, opening up the rib cage. Take a deep breath, standing nice and tall, reaching up to the fingertips and arms, and then exhale. Bend the knees and bring the hands down to the heart again. And from here, let's just pause for a moment. Shift your weight back towards your heels. Come into a bent knee position that's comfortable for you, but that's going to also challenge your legs. Tuck your tailbone under slightly. Draw your shoulders down. Lift the crown of your head up to the sky. And just take 3 deep breaths with me.